Imagine stepping into the future of travel, where innovation meets comfort and adventure blends seamlessly with luxury. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the 2026 Millennium Motorhome, a vehicle that's redefining what it means to hit the open road in style. Whether you're a seasoned RV enthusiast or just curious about the future of motorhomes, buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. Let's dive right in. A bold first impression. The moment you see the 2026 Millennium Motorhome, you know it's not just another RV. Its exterior design screams sophistication. Sleek lines, aerodynamic curves, and an aggressive yet elegant stance. Built on a state-of-the-art chassis, this motorhome combines the ruggedness of a touring bus with the elegance of a private jet. The massive panoramic windshield offers drivers an unobstructed view of the road, while the chrome accents and LED lighting create a futuristic presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. Cutting-edge technology. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize this motorhome is a tech lover's dream. At the cockpit, you'll find a fully digital dashboard with AI-powered driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping features. There's even a voice-controlled interface that lets you adjust climate, navigation, and entertainment without lifting a finger. And for those long journeys, the Millennium comes with autonomous driving capability on highways, meaning the RV can handle itself while you sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Safety is paramount too, with 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance sensors, and automatic emergency braking. The living area, a smart lounge. The living area feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Plush Italian leather seating, handcrafted with finishes, and mood-adjustable LED lighting create an atmosphere of comfort and sophistication. A massive 70-inch 8K OLED TV rises from the console, paired with a surround sound system that brings movies and music to life. Thanks to smart home integration, you can control lighting, blinds, and even the coffee machine right from your smartphone or the built-in touch panels. The seating also transforms into additional sleeping areas, ensuring space never feels limited. The kitchen, a chef's paradise on wheels. For those who love to cook, the Millennium Motorhome doesn't disappoint. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a full-size smart refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. The countertops are made from durable quartz, and storage solutions are cleverly designed to maximize every inch of space. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this kitchen ensures you won't miss the comforts of home. The bedroom, a 5-star retreat. Moving to the rear, you'll find a master bedroom that could rival luxury hotels. A king-size memory foam bed, premium linens, and climate-controlled settings guarantee restful sleep no matter where you're parked. Large windows provide natural light during the day, while blackout shades ensure complete privacy at night. Above the bed, a skylight lets you stargaze from the comfort of your pillow. And yes, the bedroom also comes with its own entertainment system, perfect for late-night movie marathons. The bathroom, spa on the road. Forget cramped RV bathrooms. The Millennium features a spacious spa-inspired bathroom. A rainfall shower, heated floors, and touchless faucets bring pure luxury to your daily routine. The design includes marble finishes, LED mirrors, and ample storage, so you'll feel pampered even when you're miles away from a nearest city. Outdoor luxury. One of the highlights of the Millennium Motorhome is its outdoor entertainment setup. With the touch of a button, an exterior panel reveals a large flat-screen TV, outdoor speakers, and even a mini fridge for refreshments. A retractable awning with integrated lighting and heating elements makes it perfect for tailgating, family gatherings, or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars. Performance and power. All this luxury doesn't come at the cost of performance. Under the hood, the Millennium is powered by a hybrid diesel engine paired with electric drive assist, ensuring smooth acceleration, reduced emissions, and excellent fuel efficiency for its size. It also comes with solar panels on a roof and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, giving you the freedom to live off-grid for days without worry. Price and exclusivity. So, what's the price tag for the future of travel? The 2026 Millennium Motorhome starts at around $2.5 million, depending on customization. While it's certainly not for everyone, for those who can afford it, this motorhome offers a lifestyle unmatched by any other RV on the market. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Final thoughts. The 2026 Millennium Motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing the journey in a way that blends cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and sustainable innovation. It represents the future of travel, giving you the freedom to explore the world without sacrificing luxury. So, would you take a road trip in the Millennium Motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing tours of the most futuristic vehicles in the world.